Greetings folks, Mark Higgins here from Unique Cars, and I'm with Phil Grant, and we're standing in front of an absolutely gorgeous XT GT replica that Phil has built. I won't say restored, I'll say built. Phil, welcome.
Thank you, Mark. Thank you.
So mate, tell me why an XT GT? That's the first thing.
I'd always loved the XRs and XTs, and I had an XT for about 2 months, and then my XR race car come up, so I quickly got rid of the XT. I've always sort of regretted not having one and doing anything with it, so I built a few XRs over time, and I thought, you know what, everyone's done the XW, XY, even though I love those cars too. I thought, you know what, I want to build an XT, something I can get in and have a bit of fun in. So it started off as just something to throw all my spare parts on, and as like normal, you get something that comes back real nice, and you go, you know what, we'll just go with it. And this is what it's come out, and it's miles better than I thought it had come out. Not that I had a low standard to start with, it just, the paint job, and I had to do it justice and use all good parts on it. So,
mate, I think if anyone from Ford Motor Company saw this, they'd say, we never built them this good in 1968. I mean, it really is, it's a credit to you. So, where did the project start? How did it start?
I spoke to a panel beater in Heidelberg that I knew he had one for sale, and he was building it for himself, so I played a bit of cat and mouse and sort of showed that I wasn't interested till he finished all the body work to his standard, which was pretty good, and I thought, you know what, I'll tell him now I'm going to buy it. And he got it all done, and then I could choose whatever colour I wanted. I do like zircon green, and then I wanted springtime yellow. I just love that colour, but I thought, there's got to be 2 people that love that colour, and if I ever have to sell it, I need that other person. So I thought, let's go the safety, and I love all the advertising stuff that comes with cars, and the Polar White XT was the advertising model. So I thought, you know what, I can buy a magazine, it's like on the front. I'm a bit of a wanker for stuff like that.
Right. So what is it? What did it start life as?
Started as a Falcon 500 silver, which is pretty good colour. But I had intentions of making it a replica GT. Thought, it wouldn't be that hard. I've got an XR GT. I had a few parts of the same, and I thought, it won't take much to chase up some of the parts, but I was pretty wrong with that.
Okay, and how long did the project take?
From getting it from a bare shell, probably taking about 9 to 10 months to get it driving.
Wow, that's actually very quick.
It is very quick because I cut out the hardest part. I bought the car off a panel beater, painted.
Right.
So I get rid of that part that normally you can. I've got another mate that's still waiting to get his car in a paint shop, and I've bought a car, built it and driving it, and he's still waiting to put it in. So that was one thing. And COVID, I'm always on the go, and when we got into lockdown, I had really nothing to do. So this is sort of a product of COVID.
Oh, okay,
people had babies and had done all the other things. I've built a car.
In 1 month less than most people had a baby.
Yeah, that's right. So another baby to my collection.
Yeah, exactly. So tell me, what's the running gear in it?
It's got a 347 Windsor, so stroke Windsor in it. I put an auto in it so my partner Leanne could drive it. The motor was going to be standard, but you can't get a standard engine build off engine builders because they've all got their ideas, and it's all an ego trip. So it's a 347 alloy heads. It's a good little combination. It's over the 400 horsepower, so then it's got an auto high stall, 3.5 high stall, 9-inch with 3.5 gears. So it's got enough power to get you in and out of trouble.